I've upgraded my miracle knot technique because of the damage I got from the first method that I used to make this braid. I've the old method looked beautiful, but I realized it wasn't the healthiest for me and for some clients with natural hair, especially around the edges and scalp. My new method is lighter, gentler, and more protective while still giving the same full, beautiful look. After working with the previous method, I noticed it could cause tension and stress on some natural hair ties over time. If you watch on the screen, you'll see how damage I got from this hairstyle from the first method. I've now improved my technique with a healthier, more protective look. Don't do this. This is the old miracle method that I no longer recommend. In this method, the thread crochet is pulled directly through the braid foundation. Over time, this can create excessive tension on the natural hair inside the braid, leading to breakage, thinning edges, weakening root stress on the scalp. Because I experienced this, I don't want you guys to experience the same. This is why I upgraded my technique. My new low tension method goes around the braid instead of through the braid. This help protect natural hair while still achieving the same beautiful curly look. Remember the old method that I used that damaged my hair so badly? The curly hair is put directly through the braid foundation. This may look secure, but over time it can weaken the braid base, create tension on your natural hair, straight the roots and edges, increases breakage during removal. But this new method, uh the curly hair is wrapped around the braid instead of being forced through the braid foundation. This gives the same beautiful miracle knot look, less tension on natural hair and safer removal process, better age protection, healthier long-term hair retention.
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it on, cobbling miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose in that fine